In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on voice chat in Roblox. So the first thing you want to do is head over to the Roblox website and sign in with your account. You then need to click on settings in the top right hand side and select settings. Now there's two things that you need to do here in order for this to work. So you'll see we have phone number and also an email address. Make sure both of these are added and also verified. So you can see next to mine I have two ticks that say verified, and once you've done that you can click on privacy and content restriction. Now click on communication and click on voice chat. You should have an option to enable the microphone. Make sure this is turned on. If you don't see this option, then come back over to privacy and content restrictions, click on content maturity, and make sure this slider is either set to moderate or restricted. You can then come back over to communication and voice chat, and once again make sure this is enabled. You can then go and open any Roblox game, and you need to ensure that voice chat is supported. So I'm just going to type in voice chat in the search box, and I'm going to join one of these voice chat servers. Once you're in the game, go and click on the escape key to bring up the settings and click on settings. Now you'll need to scroll down to input device and make sure your microphone is selected from the list. You can then come back over to the game and you'll see the microphone icon in the top navigation. Now go and click this to turn on and enable your microphone, and as you can see other people can now hear your microphone speaking. You can go and click this again to mute your microphone. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.